Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful brainstorming workflow. We'll be mapping out an AI introduction strategy using the InfoRapid KnowledgeBase Builder. First, we establish our central node. This is the heart of our strategy and the anchor for every thought that follows. Now, for the most important part, the brain dump. At this stage, don't worry about hierarchy or where things belong. We're going to blast all our ideas from big categories to tiny details directly onto the root. Watch how fast the canvas populates. This unstructured collection ensures no idea is lost while we stay in the creative flow. Now that we've captured all our ideas, it's time for the structuring phase. To get a better overview and make reorganizing easier, we'll first adjust the view. I'm zooming out, increasing the item distance, and switching to a radial mind map layout with straight connection lines. This clean layout makes it much easier to select and move the connection points. Instead of tedious cutting and pasting, we simply reparent our subtopics by dragging the start point of their relationship from the root to the correct category. Watch how technical implementation takes shape. We apply the same principle to our other categories. It's a fast, visual way to build a complex hierarchy without ever losing sight of the big picture. Now that our map is clearly organized, we can focus on the deeper connections. To make the map more concise for this analysis, it'll switch back to the compact layout. In a real-world strategy, categories don't exist in isolation. We can now perform relational analysis by creating cross-connections. For instance, let's link ethical and legal considerations to business goals and KPIs to show that compliance is a prerequisite for our success. The same applies to our data strategy. Data requirements directly informs the technical implementation. These cross-links transform a simple mind map into a sophisticated knowledge base. With our main structure and key connections in place, we can identify patterns. Let's highlight data privacy and security to mark it as a critical point. Finally, we translate our strategy into action. Let's add a section for next steps, where we can turn our strategic insights into concrete tasks. By linking develop AI ethics guidelines back to our ethical considerations, we ensure that every action remains anchored in our core strategy. And there you have it. We've transformed a chaotic brain dump into a structured, actionable roadmap. This workflow capturing ideas first and organizing them later keeps your creative momentum alive without sacrificing clarity. To wrap up, let's take a look at our knowledge base from a different perspective. In the 3D view, you can truly see the depth and interconnectedness of your AI introduction strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy mapping.